Hey, what's up? Rob here again. And in this ClickFunnels 2.0 video, I want to give you a quick review of the latest offer for ClickFunnels 2.0. There's an amazing 30-day free trial, but there's an absolute ton of bonuses that have literally just been added. So let's jump in and take a look. Okay, so as many of you probably know, if you found this video, you know ClickFunnels 2.0 is actually officially launched. There was a launch offer on during the middle of October, which has now expired. That was probably the lowest price that was ever going to be available for ClickFunnels 2.0. There was an annual plan, which there still is an annual plan. There's a link in the description for that if you're interested. But what I want to talk to you about in this video and give you a quick review of is the current 30-day trial, which has just been updated with a load more bonuses. So let's take a look. So when you come over to the page, and I'll give you the link on the screen below, it's claim.myclickfunnels.com/first. And when you come to that page, you'll also get my bonuses, which I'll show you later on in the video. So if you stick around to the end, you'll see that you won't want to miss that over $12,500 worth of bonuses. I'll also show you them in action. But if you come over to this page, you'll be taken through to sign up to launch your first funnel. So Russell Brunson has come up with this genius way, as he always does, of getting people involved in ClickFunnels. And he actually gets you to build your first funnel. And within 30 days, he's going to get you to not only create and build your own funnel, to actually launch it, get it live, and get yourself at least 1,000 leads into your business. So he's giving you everything you need to actually get yourself up and running in the 30 days. And that 30-day free trial, obviously, there's no cost to you. And it's in his interest. He's going to get you making money with your funnel before you then start having to pay for ClickFunnels. So it's a really clever idea, and it's a win-win all around. You don't have to pay out up front and then try and claim back the cost through your business by actually building and generating income with ClickFunnels 2.0. By doing it this way, you can actually start generating income before you need to actually pay for your ClickFunnels account. So it's a really, really clever idea, and like I say, a win-win for everyone. Okay, so what do you actually get in the 30-day trial with these extra bonuses? Well, during the launch, there was a 5-day challenge which was recorded live, and on that challenge, Russell had expert speakers talking about their experiences with ClickFunnels, and he also talking about how they use ClickFunnels to build their businesses. Some of which, started from scratch, as I'm sure many of you are in the same position they were. But over this 5-day challenge, there's a different topic each day, and he's gradually building the foundations for you to build your own business using ClickFunnels. So day one, he talks about funnel hacking. Now, the idea behind this is you build your first funnel, you get it out of the way, and then you're actually, off to the races. You can actually start, generating income and getting leads and all that sort of stuff for your business. So day one, he talks about funnel hacking, what types of funnel you can look at, different funnel examples. Day two actually goes into the first funnel, which he recommends everyone should build straight away. So that's definitely one not to be missed. Day three, he talks about the hook, the story, and the offer. So this is the secret Russell, used to blow up ClickFunnels when he built this 8 years ago. But when he used this method, it literally took off almost overnight. Day four is all about ads. This is a really, really good presentation, and it's actually really funny as well. So you should go in and have a look at that one. And day five is all about taking action on the things that you've learned over the 5 days, get into ClickFunnels and actually start building. And there's also a free bonus day as well. And you've got some really good top speakers in here. People like Grant Cardone, Travis Chambers, Myron Golden, all these people. Russell himself is on this thing all the way through. Now, added to this, you'll also get, if I come down to the bottom here, you'll get a list of everything. This is he's literally giving you everything you need to get your business up and running. So you can go through this page in your own time. But just to see an overview here, you get your 30-day ClickFunnels trial. You get 30 days book. Now, this is brilliant. This has been written by 30 of Russell's top 2 Comma Club award winners. And for those of you that don't know, the 2 Comma Club is people who've used ClickFunnels to generate over $1 million. That's where it gets the name from, because there are 2 commas in a million. Now, he asked 30 different people what they would do if they lost everything and all they had was a free ClickFunnels account for 30 days. What would they do to get everything back, to build their business? And they've gone through step by step how they would do that, and that's all in this book. And that's a physical book, plus you get recordings as well to go through. So really great tips and advice in there. So I would definitely recommend that one. You get Russell's Funnel Hacker Cookbook, another physical book. This will actually be sent to you. You get 14 days of live coaching. So as you're building your business, he's helping you build your business. You've got access to coaching for 14 days as well. Plug and play winning sales funnels. So you can bring in the sales funnels and literally, put them straight in. Headline generator. Again, this helps you with your copy. So you haven't got to have headaches over that. What am I going to write? That sort of thing for your headlines. List building secrets. obviously anyone who's going to succeed online needs to build a list at some point, and that's one of the things that people tend to struggle with the most, if I'm honest. And then on top of this, he's managed to get some Tony Robbins training in a private collection of that, because as you may or may not know, Russell Brunson is a student of Tony Robbins, so he's kindly agreed for him to be able to include those in this pack. You've got Dan Kennedy's herd building training, the Funnel Hacker Cookbook recordings, and 30-day behind the scenes recordings as well. So all of that stuff is, you can see the value here. It's over $8,000 worth, and you get this for free, and you get the physical stuff as well. You just need to pay for shipping if you're going to get that stuff. But yeah, 30 days of your ClickFunnels trial, which I think is normally around about $300. Now, normally a trial is for 14 days only. But like I said, with this one, you're going to get 30 days, and you get plenty of time to go through everything and actually start getting leads through the door. If you watch this video at the top, I think it's just over 12 minutes or something, Russell will tell you exactly what you need to do, and exactly what he's going to give you, his promise to you as well. So how do you get this? All you need to do is go to the link on the screen. It's claim.myclickfunnels.com/first. That will bring you to this page here, and you can click on any of these buttons on the page. Obviously, read through these bonuses. This is what you're going to get from me personally as a thank you for signing up through my link. I'll take you through these in a second, but all you need to do is click on one of these buttons. In this pop-up, fill out your name, your email address, click send me the bonuses. You'll get an email from me, which is rob@passiveincomehustler.com. All this is going to be in the description and the pinned comment as well. And I will award your bonuses. Okay, so what bonuses are you going to get from me? Well, I've got over $12,500 worth of training, and it's all to do with getting your product, service, or someone else's product or service ranked on page 1 of Google within 24 hours. And I'm a student of a guy called Paul Murphy here in the UK, and he is an internet marketing expert, and he specializes in getting things ranked on page 1 of Google in 24 hours or less. And as one of his students, he's been kind enough to allow me to give away his system as a bonus. So what you're going to get is this 24-hour ranking system, and it allows you to effectively create free ads. It doesn't cost you a penny to rank anything on Google, on page 1 of Google, in under 24 hours. It's a simple 5-step formula, and it's set and forget, and you don't have to pay anything to do it. Now, you also get live training with Paul himself. Every week he gives a live training call, which is in the form of like a live webinar, and you can ask questions. He gives presentations. He'll actually let you know what the latest information is. Sometimes has guest speakers on there as well. You'll get this for free for life if you get in now. This is going to very soon actually become a subscription service, but if you get in now, you'll get this free, and you can join the calls every week. You get a replay afterwards as well, so you can send in questions and get them answered even if you're not able to make the live call. Now, also in this, you're going to get Paul's free 4-day Google ranking challenge. Now, this is to get you through the method in a step-by-step process over 4 days. You don't have to follow it day 1, day 2, day 3. You can actually follow them as long as you go in order. You can just go through them straight away, but they're done in days just for people who want to take their time and go through in sort of daily increments. But what this will do is get you your first listing on Google immediately, and you'll actually see the process in action. So just to recap what you're going to get Paul's 24-hour ranking system. That's the system that lets you rank anything on Google, on page 1 of Google, within 24 hours. You're going to get Paul's unlimited weekly coaching, and you're going to get that free for life. You're also going to get the 4-day Google ranking challenge. And if you decide to become an affiliate for ClickFunnels, which is what I am, obviously I'm sending you to my affiliate link, you'll also get the rights to give away Paul's bonus package as well, so that it will help you actually make more affiliate commissions yourself. So if you choose to do that, you're actually going to get the rights to do this as well, which is fantastic. So as I promised, I'm going to show you this in action. I've been promoting ClickFunnels 2.0 since the launch, and I've been using Paul's method, the 24-hour ranking system. I haven't spent a penny on ads, and I have made affiliate commissions throughout the launch, and I can show you some of my results. Now, for some of these terms, if I just put in ClickFunnels 2.0 demo, let me just refresh this so you can see that it's genuine. I'm in an incognito window as well, so there's no, it's not showing me what I want to see. It's actually showing me as if I was searching from anywhere. At the time of recording, ClickFunnels 2.0 demo, you can see this is my video here. I put this up 1 day ago. Another one here, I put it up 2 days ago. Another one here, put it up a week ago. You can see these stay here. Another term, ClickFunnels 2.0 bonus. Again, I'll refresh that. And you can see I'm down here at position number 3 a week ago. And then we've got another one here, ClickFunnels 2.0 annual. I'll refresh that as well. And you can see I come up top there as well. So what you're getting effectively is a billboard ad on Google So you get to control the image because it's in the form of a thumbnail. You get to control the text. And then obviously once people come into your ecosystem, you can send them wherever you like. And in my case, this is ClickFunnels 2.0 affiliate commissions. And it does works very well. And as I said, I haven't spent a single penny on promoting ClickFunnels 2.0, and I've made nice commissions from it as well. So as you can imagine, you can use this for anything, whether it's promoting your own business, promoting someone else's business, whether it's digital products, SaaS products, physical products. It works for absolutely everything. And you're going to get this for free as a thank you for signing up to ClickFunnels 2.0 30-day trial with me. So yeah, I hope that all makes sense. As I said, go to the link below, claim.myclickfunnels.com/first, come to this page, click any of these buttons, fill out your details, click send me the bonuses. That will then take you through to the ClickFunnels Your First Funnel page. You can click on any of these buttons, the green buttons on the page. That will take you through to sign up for your 30-day trial. And then all you need to do is you'll receive an email from me. Just reply to that email with your receipt so I can tally up the your account when you've signed up to ClickFunnels, and I will send your bonuses straight to you. So I hope you've enjoyed that video. This is an awesome offer. As I say, the trial is normally 14 days and you don't get anything else with it. You're going to get all of these extras as well. Not only that, but also my bonuses as well. But just even if it was just for these bonuses here on screen, it's a no-brainer. So go off now, link below, get your trial, and I'll see you inside. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please give it a like. Really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you'll get informed when I release new videos. Doing all of that stuff helps me get my videos to more people like yourself who hopefully find them useful. So thanks again for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye.